Roasted cauliflower lentil curry recipe. Yield, 4 to 6 servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Roasting time, 40 to 50 minutes. Curry time, 15 to 20 minutes. Total time, 70 minutes. Ingredients: the cauliflower. 1 head of cauliflower, in bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, garlic powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, onion powder. Half a teaspoon paprika powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Ingredients: curry. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, vegetable oil. 1 yellow onion, diced. 3 cloves garlic, crushed. 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, curry powder. Half a tablespoon, 7.5 grams, garam masala powder. Half a tablespoon, 7.5 grams, turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, cumin powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, coriander powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, salt. 1 can, 400 grams, diced tomato. 10 cherry tomatoes, cut in halves or quarters. 1 can, 400 milliliters, coconut milk. 1 can, 250 grams, cooked brown lentils. 2 cups, 100 grams, fresh spinach. 1 batch roasted cauliflower. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 210 C, 400 F. Toss the cauliflower with the oil and spices until coated. Spread evenly on a baking tray lined with baking paper or tinfoil. Roast for 40 to 50 minutes, until crispy and golden, stopping to mix once halfway. 2. In a large pot on medium heat, cook the onions in the oil, until soft and slightly golden. Add splashes of water if needed to prevent burning or sticking in the pot. Once soft, add the garlic and all the spices, and stir until fragrant, about 1 minute. 3. Add the can of tomatoes and chopped tomatoes, and stir to combine everything. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. 4. Finally, add the coconut milk, lentils, spinach, and roasted cauliflower, and mix until everything is combined and heated through, about 5 minutes. Serve with rice, and enjoy. Notes 1. Make ahead, we suggest making 1 to 2 batches of the roasted cauliflower ahead of time. Some you can use it to top salads, or layer in wraps, and the rest you can use in this curry. 2. Storage. The roasted cauliflower will keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days or in the freezer for up to 1 month. 3. Variations. Try with chickpeas, beans, sweet or regular potato, broccoli, or red peppers. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.